Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. And for a video I didn't really expect to be doing. I didn't think I'd be doing another one of these. But you may or may not know, but Graphic 45 haven't done an ambassador call this year. There's no auditions been. But they have selected a few people to represent them. And I had a surprise email being invited to the team, which is very unusual because I thought my two years were up, but they've asked me for another year. So I'm so pleased to be able to tell you that I will be bringing you some more Graphic 45 projects for 2025-26 season. So thank you very, very much, Graphic 45. I'm so pleased to have been asked. So yeah, I wasn't expecting to do another unboxing video of Graphic 45, but here we are. So you can see here some of my goodies. I'll take you through what I've chosen for this term for you to see what sort of things I might coming up. But I will do some more in-depth collection reviews for you rather than put everything. So today's just going to be a little quick run through of what I've chosen to play with for you to see what might be coming up. So let's start with something that's already been out for a while. So Hip Hooray. I've had the 8x8 of this collection to play with and the patterns and solids, but I didn't last time get the 12x12. And looking at this, I was thinking, when I had the 8x8, I've got some ideas on how to make some simple cards using 6x4 and 3x4 journal cards. And I noticed these have got some of those. So I decided I might have some cards coming up using Hip Hooray. And just to decorate them up a bit more, I also went for the ephemera pieces as well, because seeing what some of the other ambassadors did with these last term, I saw that there's actually some nice big ephemera pieces, so I'll be able to decorate my cards with some extra little details without having to do any fussy cutting at all. So I am enjoying using ephemera at the moment, because it just saves me all the fussy cutting. So Hip Hooray you've all seen already. So I've only gone for the 12x12 just to make some cards and some ephemera just to decorate the cards. So if you want to join me in some cards, have a look at some of the collections and have a look at their journal cards. And then next up, never been into fairies, but I did like this collection actually. I think it's the colours, this turquoise and this purple, and I always like a bit of green. And I did like the colour palette that came with these, and I did like the images. And so I was thinking, yep, let's get some. So I've gone for some 12x12, some of the 8x8, and what's really nice at the moment is you do get patterns and solids in each of these as well. But if you do want more, we do have the 8.5x11 patterns and solids as well. Now for me in the UK, this is actually quite handy, because when I do my photo mats for a 6x4 photo, I like it to be 1/4 of an inch bigger. So 6.25 by 4.25. But A4 cardstock was 8.25 wide, which meant I could only get 2 out of it this way. But having these, I'll be able to get 1, 2, 3 6x4 photo mats out of these new size pattern solids. Okay. So even with the 12x12, I was only able to get 3. So this is going to save me some paper and be really useful for me. So quite excited for that. But for those who are thinking, oh no, I like the 12x12, we still got them here. You've got 8 sheets of it in your collection, but having them in the 8x8 as well, brilliant. And went for the ephemera as well. Nice, easy way of decorating my pages. So, Fairy Boutique, definitely one I'm looking forward to playing with. But where we go next? Right, now I've got the keepsake edition for Flutter. Now this is the one without the die. I wasn't able to get the die one, but I've gone for the regular keepsake kit because I quite like the papers. So what do we get in the keepsake kit? Let's just have a quick look. So we've got a load of ephemera pieces. We have some sticker sheets, so a 12 by 12 sticker sheets, nice borders. Then we also have then the collection itself, nice bold, because we've got some 6 by 4 journal cards there, some square ones. I can see like little waterfalls happening with those. So we've got the collection. I love this one with the ants. So cool. So these then are the patterns and solids. So I've skipped over them quickly. But these then, yeah, nope, it's these ones. So you've got the red patterns and solids, some blue, and the green patterns and solids, and the black. So I said, I'll do a slower collection review for you to see what comes in that collection in another video. So if you hit that subscribe button, you will get a notification. It'll be added to your subscription list for you to have a little look once it's up. So that's the Flutter keepsake. And then let's go here next. Now this surprised me. Now years and years ago, these were so hard to find in the UK that I never actually got one. Is the ATC album in a matchbox. So I think they've done them separate before, but this time we have them together. So we've got our ATC tags to go in here. So I've got the dies, so I'm looking forward to actually decorating this and seeing how I can do this with some paper saving, seeing how far I can stretch my 12 by 12. You know that's my thing by now. But what's surprising with this is it feels different to any of the others. It feels almost linen-y. Linen-y, is that even a word? So we've got a nice album to decorate. I was thinking, Fairy Boutique or Flutter, which one? Maybe if you've got a preference, let me know in the comments below. So yeah, so that's the ATC album with matchbook box. Try saying that 5 times fast. So that looks like a lot of fun to play with. And because I went for the cream album, I've gone for some extra ATC tags for me to have a little play with. And it was the regular ones I was thinking of getting, but I ended up with the larger ones, but it doesn't matter. I will use these. Not with this project, obviously, because they wouldn't fit. But let's have a little play with the large tags. Now, I did get a little 8x8 monomer that is in the sale because I was going to have a little practice run with that. So because I had a couple of pounds left in my credit, so I went for that. But where did most of my credit go? Well, it went on Seize the Day. This collection caught my eye as soon as I saw it. I think it was the colours, it was the images. I like anything to do with under the sea. So we've had the beneath the sea ones and the beach is calling. So having this now is amazing. The colours in this are fantastic. The images in this is fantastic. So I actually went for the whole collection. So in the whole collection, if you order that, you get a 12 by 12. Again, we have those patterns and solids in it. But I did have the matching patterns and solids as well in the new size, 8.5 by 11. You also get the 8 by 8 pad. Now, I haven't used these before, the chipboard tags and frames, but it came in the full collection. And because when you buy the full collection, it's a reduced price. So I thought now is the time to have a little go with them. Especially loving that big tag and the small tags. So there's that. You also get one of my new favourite things, the rub-ons. So I got the rub-on transfer set and you get 2 sheets. Now, so you get sort of backgroundy ones and imagery ones. You do get your lollipop stick in as well if you want to use that, but I just use my burnishing tool. And what else have we got? Oh, we've got the sticker sheet. Again, two different sheets. So we've got the lovely postage stamps, we've got the images and borders and tags on this side, and the ephemera pieces. So you can see whole range of ephemera. We'll do a proper run through of this. I'll do a collection review for you, and we'll take a look at these in closer detail. But because I love this collection, I got an extra 8x8 and I got an extra ephemera as well. So yeah, I expect quite a few projects using this, I imagine. So we'll see what's to come with that. So there we go. That is as much of a surprise to you as me that I'm doing another Graphic 45 brand ambassador unboxing video. So if you haven't already, if you subscribe to the channel, you will get notified when I'm doing the collection reviews. But also this year, I'll be able to put my tutorials up as and when I'm ready for them as well. So to have access to the new ambassador videos, make sure you hit that subscribe button as well. And go ahead and follow the Graphic 45 YouTube channel as well, because I'm sure there'll be plenty more inspiration for you. So if you've got some of these collections, or if there's anything you're hoping to see, please leave me a comment below. Let me know. I do try to help a lot. Is it you want to know how to cover the book? Is it some more card ideas? Do you want an album? If so, with the album, do you want it as use as much as you can, or use one pad? What do you find useful? So please, please, please leave me a comment. Let me know what you want, and I'll see what I can do. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you all again very soon with some inspiration.